hey, it's me, your beauty queen with something in between, Olive Cox, and welcome back to my channel. Today marks National Nude Day. So I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to show you guys some of my nudes. Makeup, that is. So today we're doing natural neutrals. So I'm giving you the 3 Bs. I'm giving you beiges, browns, and blacks. So if you would like to see some of my nudes without having to have a subscription to OnlyFans, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out all my other socials at the Olive Cox for more drag fun. Alright, so I'm gonna go shave my face and do my base off camera, map out one of these eyes, and we'll be right back. And I'm back, y'all. As you can see, I have one eye complete, my base all done, ready to get this look all started. First, for this eye, I'm gonna map out my liner. And I usually do this step to see how big I want this eye look to be. And lately, she's been filling a big wing. Cuticles. Now that we have that liner mapped out, I'm taking a warm brown shade on a fluffy brush and I'm placing that in my crease, focusing most of the shadow towards the front of the brow, where the nose contour and the eyeshadow meet. Then once you focus most of the color, you can start sweeping towards the center of the eye and towards the liner. Then with the same shade on a slightly denser brush, I'm taking that and placing it lower in the crease, just to create more depth. And I like to blend my eyeshadow into my nose contour. I think it makes the look more cohesive, and I don't know, I just don't like it if there's a gap. It bothers me. But if you have a gap there, that's your business. Speaking of business, this look today is all nudes. So we are living our bronze fantasy. And then with just a little tap of orange and back into that brown, I'm placing that in my crease. And I'm cheating and using an orange because I used an orange blush today, which will reinforce that later because I want everyone to see it. And blush is the first thing to go. Anyway, back to nudes. We love browns and blush colors because they can create shadow, depth, it's amazing how you can reshape a face and stuff. Listen, this is me before. And look, I have a cheek now. Come on, it's amazing what makeup can do. With a deep chocolate shade, I'm taking that even lower in the crease just to create more depth, focusing most of that color towards the front of the brow where we're gonna cut the crease. With one dip into the black, I am just barely placing that to create even more depth. And anyway, before I was rudely interrupted. Now I'm placing some white on my brow bone just to highlight it. Now with a flat synthetic brush, I'm gonna cut my crease and hopefully try to match the other one. Now I'm gonna quickly set that with some white eyeshadow. Now I'm retouching the liner. Now with a bronze glitter, I'm placing that all over my lid. Just because it's nude doesn't mean I don't want everything to shine. And come on, the eyes are the nipples of the face. You know I want to bring attention to those bad boys. Meh. Now with the black eyeshadow, I'm meeting the gap of the liner to the other liner.
So you're keeping it simple today? Simple pimple?
Simple pimple. I'll show my dimples.
I'm sorry?
My dimples.
Which?
I only have one pair of dimples. You know she keeps this body right and tight. I'm sorry, do you have an opinion that you would like to share with the class? I don't need your attitude, thank you. I'm also placing a little brown there, just to warm up the eye a little bit more. And also I did it on the other side as a mistake, but you know, I want them to look even. Cute. Liner. Now I'm placing some white liner on my waterline. Next I'm opening up my inner corner with some white liner. And now I'm smoking at my lower lash line. And I'm bringing this shadow right into that liner. I'm just blending the two together just to make it all seamless and gorge. Thanks.
I'm next.
Okay. You know what time it is? Time to curl your lashes. Right, and while my lash glue is drying, I'm going to start placing my beauty marks. Oh no, that tickled. It's going to make my eye water. Okay, now that I have mascara and lashes on, it's time to do some finishing touches just to finish off this nude look. So right now I'm dipping into some bronzer and just warming up the face. Yeah, like I was saying, something about like browns and stuff can completely like reshape the face. It's insane. It's amazing what makeup can do. Suddenly give somebody more confidence. And speaking of being confident, people who celebrate today, National Nudes Day, or whatever. Those are some bold people. We love them. And they're on the right track. They're not ashamed of their bodies. Love that. Taking a little bit of that bronzer on an eyeshadow brush and placing that on the tip of my nose. Next, I'm going into the blush that I used, which was an orange eyeshadow. Groundbreaking. And this will help further warm everything up. Yeah, and it's through using nudes and like browns and stuff that I learned how to reshape my face and really like learn how to like do my makeup. Thanks, Nudes. And also, who doesn't love a good nude? Next, I'm dipping back into my contour shade and deepening that up. And with an even denser brush, taking that same contour shade and just lower, I am placing that and focusing all of that color just to really give me the illusion of a cheek. Placing some blush on my nose. Now it's time to lock everything in with some setting spray. Cool, I'm gonna go get my drag on and I will be right back with the finished look. And this is the finished look, y'all. This naughty nudes look is all finished. How do we feel about it? Oh, I love this look. It makes me look so like bronze and like beautiful. Listen, I'm giving it to you right now. And it's kind of everything. So, like, nudes are like kind of it. Like you can completely like reshape your face and everything. And I love that about makeup. It's my favorite form of like art, like, and beauty. I look like I'm about to be cast on like the next Real Housewives of like Beverly Hills. With the pearls, like, yes ma'am. With the brown lip, brown like cheek. Listen. We love brown on this channel. I decided to do something simple today because, you know, neutrals, I wanted that to be the focus. Not like, oh look, she decided to dress up like a clown. How many times has that happened? Yeah, I thought I'd be like, you know, versatile today and give you like a womana. I look so gorge. Like, you guys can't take this. Like, ooh, excuse me. Eyes up here. I decided to pair this like nude like face, the nude lip, nude eyes with the nude like chest and also like this hair, because this hair, like, listen, I had like fresh, like I just got hair. I thought I would, you know, step it up a bit. Like she just had a blowout after, you know. Anyway, let me know how you feel about the look down below. Let me know how you feel about nudes. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you follow all my other socials at @TheOliveCox for more drag fun. All right, well, I have some stuff to do. I'm gonna go to a drag race viewing party, so let's get crazy. Ooh. I'm gonna put some clothes on though, because listen, anyway, I'll see you next week. Bye.